Hi, this is Lauren Grady, Communications Specialist for Boaz City Schools. Today, I would like to talk to you about mass communications at Boaz City Schools and how you can stay in the know. Boaz City Schools is ramping up our communications efforts by helping students, parents, guardians, and staff members know how to properly use our Boaz app. First, let's start by downloading the Boaz app, which is free to download from the Apple Store or Google Play. To download, simply type Boaz City Schools in the search bar in the App Store or Google Play. You can also scan the QR code, shown here, with an iOS or Android device and you will be taken to the appropriate location to download the app. To get started, open the app. When prompted, select Allow, permitting our app to send you important school-related push notifications. Next, you will be prompted to select the schools you are interested in. Select Choose from List to select your student's campus. You can choose multiple schools. Now you are ready to start using the Boaz app. If you are already using the Boaz app, you will need to check that you are following your student's campus. Moving forward, notifications specific to one school, such as photo day reminders, will only be sent to individuals following that school, instead of the entire district. If you are not following your student's campus, you will not receive these alerts. All notifications that affect all of our campuses, such as weather closures, will continue to come from the district. Next, I will show you how to check that you are following your student's campus, as well as the district. First, open the Boaz app. Swipe left. And select the Settings button. Next, select Follow Schools. This page will show you a complete list of schools you can follow, including the district. First, let's select the district to ensure that you receive all communication being sent out from the district. Select All. Select the Back button to return to the list of schools. You are now set up to receive notifications from the district. Repeat these steps for each campus you would like to follow. Select the campus. Select All. Then select the Back button. Once you have finished selecting each campus you would like to follow, select the Settings button, and then the Home button to return to the app home page. Your Boaz app is now properly set up. Thank you for following along with this short video. We hope you found it helpful. Until next time, this is Lauren Grady saying, Go Pirates!